Ladies and gentlemen, imagine waking up every morning with unstoppable energy flowing through your body. Imagine your confidence rising, your vitality returning, and your partner noticing a powerful change in you. Imagine feeling stronger, more alive, and more capable than you have in years. But here is the shocking truth many people ignore. Declining stamina in the bedroom is not just about age, it is about blood flow, hormones, nutrition, and lifestyle choices. When these systems weaken, performance weakens. When they are strengthened, the body can regain surprising power and endurance. Across centuries, many traditional cultures studied the connection between food, circulation, and masculine vitality. Ancient Chinese wellness practices believed that true stamina begins in the bloodstream. When oxygen, nutrients, and hormones move freely through the body, energy increases everywhere, including where it matters most. Now, here is the fascinating part. Certain natural ingredients were historically used to support circulation, increase nitric oxide, and energize the body. This is not magic. Modern science now confirms what traditional healers observed long ago. For example, ingredients rich in natural antioxidants and circulation supporting compounds can help relax blood vessels. When blood vessels relax, blood flow improves. When blood flow improves, endurance and responsiveness often improve as well. One powerful category includes polyphenol rich foods. These compounds support the health of the endothelium, the delicate lining of blood vessels responsible for controlling circulation. A healthier vascular system means better oxygen delivery and more sustained physical performance. Another key factor is energy metabolism. The body relies on mitochondria, tiny energy factories inside cells. When these systems receive proper nutrients, the body produces more usable energy. That means less fatigue and greater stamina during physical activity, including intimacy. Traditional Eastern wellness also focused heavily on adaptogenic herbs and warming ingredients. These were believed to help balance stress hormones and support the body's natural vitality. Stress and fatigue drain performance faster than almost anything else, and modern research agrees that chronic stress can lower testosterone and reduce stamina. But here is something even more important. Sexual health is whole body health. A strong heart, flexible blood vessels, balanced hormones, and a nourished nervous system all work together. When one improves, the others often follow. This is why the most powerful secret recipe is not a miracle pill or a dangerous shortcut. It is a combination of circulation supporting nutrition, restorative sleep, physical movement, and natural foods that fuel the body. When you support your cardiovascular system, you support endurance. When you nourish your hormones, you support vitality. When you fuel your mitochondria, you support lasting energy. And when all those systems work together, the body can surprise you with what it is still capable of. So here is the challenge. Do not accept fatigue as normal. Do not accept declining stamina as inevitable. Do not ignore the signals your body is sending. Start feeding your body with foods that support circulation. Start moving your body to awaken your cardiovascular strength. Start protecting your sleep, your stress levels, and your hormonal health, because the difference between feeling weak and feeling powerful is often a decision followed by consistent action. Take control of your health. Strengthen your body, reignite your vitality, and begin building the energy, confidence, and endurance that can transform not only your nights, but your entire life. What if the real reason many people struggle with stamina and performance has nothing to do with age, but everything to do with circulation? Imagine a system of highways running through your body, millions of tiny blood vessels carrying oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to every cell that needs them. When those pathways are open, flexible, and strong, the body responds with energy, responsiveness, and endurance. But when those pathways become narrow, stiff, or sluggish, the entire system begins to slow down. The truth that surprises many people is that sexual performance is largely a circulatory event. The body relies on smooth, powerful blood flow to create and maintain physical readiness, and even small changes in vascular health can dramatically influence stamina. Now consider this. Modern lifestyles often work against this system. Long hours of sitting, high levels of stress, processed foods, smoking, and lack of exercise can gradually damage the delicate lining of blood vessels known as the endothelium. This thin layer plays a critical role in controlling how blood flows through the body. When it becomes irritated or inflamed, vessels lose their ability to relax properly and circulation becomes restricted. Reduced circulation means less oxygen reaching tissues and less efficiency in the body's natural performance systems. Here's where things get fascinating. Certain nutrients and lifestyle habits can help support the body's natural ability to widen blood vessels and improve circulation. Foods rich in nitrates, antioxidants, and polyphenols may help the body produce nitric oxide, a molecule that signals blood vessels to relax and expand. When this happens, blood can move more freely and efficiently, delivering energy exactly where it's needed. Physical movement also acts like a pump for the circulatory system. Even moderate exercise encourages blood vessels to become more flexible and responsive, which can translate into improved stamina and endurance during physical activity. And here's the hook most people never hear: the body constantly tries to repair and rebuild its vascular system. With the right daily habits, movement, hydration, balanced nutrition, and proper sleep, the circulatory system can gradually regain flexibility and strength, supporting stronger performance and higher levels of vitality throughout the body. What if the real driver of desire, energy, and endurance is something invisible quietly working behind the scenes? Inside the body, a powerful chemical communication system is constantly sending signals that influence mood, strength, motivation, and sexual drive. These signals are hormones. When they are balanced and functioning properly, the body feels energetic, focused, and responsive. When they become disrupted, the change can show up as fatigue, reduced desire, low confidence, and weaker performance. Many people assume these changes are simply a natural part of aging, but the reality is far more complex and far more hopeful. One of the most influential hormones connected to sexual vitality is testosterone. This hormone helps regulate libido, muscle strength, energy levels, and overall drive. But here's the surprising part: testosterone levels can be strongly influenced by everyday habits. Poor sleep, chronic stress, excess body fat, and nutrient deficiencies can quietly push hormone levels downward over time. When this happens, the body's natural systems for energy and performance may begin to slow. Now imagine the opposite scenario. Imagine the body receiving deep, restorative sleep where hormones are naturally regulated and repaired overnight. Research shows that a large portion of daily testosterone production occurs during the deepest phases of sleep. When sleep is interrupted or shortened, hormone production can drop significantly, which may affect both physical energy and sexual desire. Another powerful factor is stress. The body releases cortisol when under constant pressure, and high cortisol can interfere with testosterone balance. When stress remains elevated for long periods, the body begins prioritizing survival rather than vitality. This shift can quietly drain motivation, endurance, and confidence. Nutrition also plays a crucial role. Certain nutrients such as zinc, magnesium, vitamin D, and healthy fats support hormone production and endocrine balance. Strength training and physical activity can stimulate hormonal signals that promote vitality and physical resilience. Here's a question worth thinking about: what if restoring energy and desire isn't about forcing the body to perform, but about creating the conditions where hormones naturally return to balance and strength begins to rebuild from within? What if the secret to lasting stamina isn't found in stimulants or quick fixes, but deep inside the microscopic engines that power every cell in your body? Hidden within your muscles, brain, and vital organs are tiny structures called mitochondria. Think of them as millions of miniature power plants constantly producing the energy that fuels every movement, every heartbeat, and every moment of physical endurance. When these cellular engines are strong and efficient, the body feels energized, resilient, and capable of sustaining activity for longer periods without fatigue. But when they slow down, the entire system begins to feel drained. Here's the surprising hook most people never consider: fatigue in the bedroom often begins at the cellular level. If the body struggles to produce enough energy, stamina declines everywhere. Mitochondria convert nutrients from food into a molecule called ATP, which acts like the body's energy currency. Every contraction of muscle, every nerve signal, and every physical response relies on this energy supply. When mitochondrial function weakens due to poor diet, lack of movement, aging, or oxidative stress, the body simply cannot maintain the same level of endurance. Now imagine the opposite situation. Imagine those cellular power plants becoming more efficient and producing more usable energy throughout the day. Certain nutrients, especially antioxidants, B vitamins, magnesium, and coenzyme compounds, help protect mitochondria from damage and support their ability to generate energy. Foods rich in colorful plant compounds, healthy fats, and essential minerals provide the raw materials these energy factories need to function properly. Physical activity also plays a remarkable role. When the body moves regularly, especially through moderate exercise or strength training, cells are stimulated to create more mitochondria. This process, known as mitochondrial biogenesis, literally increases the number of energy-producing units inside the body. More mitochondria mean more available energy, greater endurance, and slower fatigue during physical exertion. And here's a fascinating thought. Every healthy meal, every walk, every moment of movement sends a signal to these tiny power plants to grow stronger and produce more energy for the body's most demanding activities. What if one of the biggest hidden obstacles to stamina and desire isn't physical weakness at all, but an overloaded mind? Many people focus only on diet, age, or hormones when thinking about sexual health, yet they overlook a powerful biological force that quietly shapes performance: stress. When the brain perceives pressure, worry, or constant demands, the body automatically shifts into survival mode. This ancient response was designed to protect humans from danger, but in modern life, it often stays switched on far longer than necessary. And when it does, the body begins releasing a hormone called cortisol. Here's the surprising hook. Cortisol and sexual vitality often work in opposite directions. Elevated stress hormones signal the body to prioritize immediate survival functions rather than long-term vitality and reproduction. When cortisol levels remain high for extended periods, they can interfere with hormone balance, reduce testosterone levels, disrupt sleep cycles, and tighten blood vessels. All of these changes can influence stamina, desire, and physical responsiveness. Think about what happens during a stressful day. The mind races, muscles tighten, breathing becomes shallow, and the nervous system stays alert. Even if the body is physically capable, mental tension can prevent relaxation and natural responsiveness. Sexual health relies heavily on the parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and restore system. This system helps the body relax, improves blood circulation, and allows physical responses to occur smoothly. Chronic stress, however, keeps the body locked in the opposite mode, the fight or flight state. But here's where things become interesting. The nervous system can be trained to shift back toward balance. Simple practices like deep breathing, regular physical movement, time outdoors, meditation, and quality sleep can help calm the brain and lower stress hormones. When the mind begins to relax, blood flow improves, hormonal signals stabilize, and the body can return to a state where energy and responsiveness feel more natural. And here's the question worth asking. How different might energy and performance feel if the mind learned to release tension and allow the body to operate in its most relaxed, balanced state? What if the difference between low energy and powerful stamina begins on your plate every single day? Many people search for complicated solutions to improve vitality, yet they overlook one of the most powerful influences on the body: nutrition. Every bite of food sends chemical signals throughout the body, either supporting circulation, hormones, and energy production, or quietly working against them. The body is constantly rebuilding tissues, producing hormones, and generating energy, and all of these processes depend on the nutrients it receives. Here's the surprising hook. The body cannot create strong vitality from weak fuel. Diets overloaded with refined sugars, ultra-processed foods, and unhealthy fats can slowly damage blood vessels, increase inflammation, and disrupt metabolic balance. When this happens, circulation becomes less efficient, energy production slows down, and the body may begin to feel sluggish. Over time, these effects can influence stamina, endurance, and overall performance. Now imagine the opposite approach, fueling the body with foods designed by nature to support strength and resilience. Fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants that help protect blood vessels and cells from oxidative stress. Whole grains provide steady energy instead of sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Nuts, seeds, and healthy fats supply essential fatty acids that support hormone production and brain health. Minerals such as zinc, magnesium, and potassium help regulate nerve signals, muscle contractions, and metabolic processes that influence endurance. Another fascinating aspect of nutrition is its influence on nitric oxide production, a molecule that helps blood vessels relax and widen. Certain foods like leafy greens, beets, garlic, and citrus fruits contain compounds that may support this natural process, allowing blood to move more freely throughout the body. And here's something even more interesting. The body begins responding to improved nutrition surprisingly quickly. Within weeks of consistent healthy eating, many people notice better energy levels, improved circulation, and greater physical resilience during demanding activities. Every balanced meal becomes a signal telling the body to rebuild stronger systems and produce the energy needed for lasting vitality. What if the real secret behind lasting stamina isn't a single trick or shortcut, but the quiet power of daily habits repeated over time? Many people look for instant solutions when it comes to energy and sexual vitality, yet the human body doesn't transform overnight. Instead, it responds to patterns, small actions performed consistently that gradually reshape the body's strength, endurance, and resilience. The fascinating truth is that the body is always adapting to the lifestyle it experiences most often. Here's the hook that surprises many people: the body keeps a memory of your habits. If daily life is filled with long hours of sitting, irregular sleep, heavy stress, and poor nutrition, the body adapts to that environment by slowing down energy production and weakening physical performance systems. But if the routine begins to include movement, proper rest, balanced nutrition, and healthier stress management, the body slowly recalibrates toward higher vitality. Regular physical activity is one of the strongest signals the body can receive. Movement improves blood circulation, strengthens the heart, increases oxygen delivery to muscles, and stimulates beneficial hormonal responses. Even moderate exercise such as walking, stretching, or strength training can gradually build endurance and cardiovascular health, which are essential components of physical stamina. Sleep is another powerful factor that often goes underestimated. During deep sleep, the body repairs tissues, balances hormones, restores the nervous system, and replenishes energy reserves. When sleep becomes irregular or insufficient, these restorative processes are disrupted. Over time, this can influence mood, hormone levels, and overall physical energy. Consistency also matters when it comes to body weight and metabolic health. Maintaining a healthy weight helps protect blood vessels, supports balanced hormones, and improves circulation. Even small lifestyle adjustments like daily walks, mindful eating, and proper hydration can create meaningful improvements over time. And here's the thought worth remembering: every healthy habit sends a message to the body that it is safe, supported, and ready to rebuild stronger systems for greater endurance and vitality.